and welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. Today we are going to look at one of the kits, the new kits this year for Stampin' Up! In their catalog in the annual catalog on page 8 and page 9. You'll have the details of the kits. And if you want to look it up, it's stampinup.ca/kits. I'm sure that in the US it is a very similar URL, and you can just go to your Stampin' Up! Website and look for kits. So they are all inclusive. They're pre-cut pieces, step-by-step instructions, and compact and portable crafting, and you can craft with friends. There are two types of kits. One type is everything's in there that you need. You don't need to stamp a thing, you just need to assemble the cards. And the other kind is more like a paper pumpkin, where you get an acrylic block and there's stamps and an ink spot. This one is the Notes of Cheer card kit, and we'll open it up and have a look. Similar to the paper pumpkin, it has an instruction sheet. You make 9 cards, and everything that you need to make these is in the kit, including all of the greetings are pre-printed. The instructions are in color, and they're beautiful. So you've got your first card, your second card, and your third card. So I'm going to walk through the contents of the kit with you, and then I'll do one more video doing all of the cards at once. So you've got some Stampin' Dimensionals. There are your adhesive dots, and these really funky little jewels. They're beautiful. I don't know if you can see the color. They're kind of a bluey mauve opalescent. And then you've got all your greetings. You make life brighter, a little note of cheer. Oh, and there's a whole bunch of little ones here. You're on my mind. I am here for you today and always. And they are in 4 different languages, so that you can build for whatever language you would like. And then there's these laser cut overlays and laser cut butterfly sheets. And you've got card bases. Oh, oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That is really, really pretty. You've got your card bases, and these ones are just plain. And then you've got envelopes, and they've got different color liners in them. And that is the contents of the kit, and you just simply put all the pieces together. This one, you don't have to do any stamping. You just build the cards with the contents of the kit. This is fabulous. It's actually a really, really economical way to introduce somebody to card making. It's great as a gift for somebody to create their own. Everything they need is in the kit, and it is very, very economically priced. So thank you very much for watching today as I talked about the Notes of Cheer card kit. Stay tuned for the next video when I build the cards enclosed.